Are you looking to get PMP certified and wondering where to get started? Look no further. This is the course that I've designed to walk you through the PMP exam and how to get certified. Now, you might ask, what do I need to get PMP certified? This is what you need, and that's about it. The exam is broken down into three portions of people, process, and business. The people domain is 42% of the exam, the process domain is 50%, and the business domain is just 8% of the exam. You can also slice the exam into two pieces. Half is Agile and hybrid, and the other half can be looked at as predictive. Did you know that 90% of global senior executives rank project management as either critical or somewhat important to the ability to deliver successful projects and remain competitive? This is from a survey from the PMI, 90%. Now, what does that tell you? When 90% of global executives have woken up to smell the coffee, it tells us project management is here to stay. It also tells us that project management is critical. So you as a professional are doing the right thing in thinking about upping your game in project management. So this tells you that the world of project management is evolving and it makes sense to get on the bandwagon and just get certified as a PMP by putting in the work, putting in the effort. Let's take a look real quick. So we have a live half-day boot camp. Look for the details at hpmexam.com, okay? hpmexam.com is your one-stop shop, like I said, for not just PMP training, but even beyond, because this course is a lifetime access course. So here are the different pieces of it. Half-day boot camp where we tackle in detail the people, the process, and the business domains, right? When we go into people below the surface that I'm showing you here, and process and business, the next step is for you to take mock exams, for you to take quizzes, for you to beef up your understanding. And here's how we do it. We have on our learning management system, people, process, and business explained, over 40 hours of additional content. That's right, 40 hours. So in 40 hours, you will be able to go over people, the 14 tasks, process, the 14 tasks, business, the 4 tasks, PMBOK 6, all the knowledge areas, PMBOK 7, the principles, the domains. You will have access, lifetime access, by the way, right? This is lifetime access to go over all of these, and also the Agile practice guide training. You will have training that goes into every detail you need for your PMP exam. And not just that, you will get the Agile Principle Run and Cut book in addition to the lifetime access course. We'll deliver this to you by PDF very speedily. You're also going to get this called Project Management Essentials. This is a 400-page book. You can see these are high-quality books that have been put together as a result of my work in project management over the past 2 decades. I'm a buddy Roy. And last but not least, you're going to get this book. It's called PMP Exam Immersion. Now, why do we provide all this literature? Well, all this literature is to help you to find areas of improvement. You may not need to read all of this information. What you do need to hone in on is your weak areas, because remember, PMI expects that you have project management experience. So there's some things you might already know pretty well, but there are going to be some things you're like, ouch, that hurt. I need to go read that up. And that's why we have these flavors. So the PMP Exam Immersion book covers people, process, and business. Okay, we deliver that to you. It's about 587 pages. Then we have Project Management Essentials, which is more for the predictive elements that you may be finding you need more help on. And this is for the Agile areas. Now, to bring it all together and hybridize it, we have this. And to be quite honest, a lot of our students just read this and a lot of this. Some of them read this more if they feel they have Agile knowledge, but not enough predictive information. So we deliver a smattering of materials to you. We also have a 25-hour download MP3 for you to listen to around the clock. And then we have 2 full mock exams and many smaller quizzes and tests to beef up your understanding. The other cool thing about this program is you're not alone, because we have other people studying and they meet over the weekend in a boot camp. This is a brilliant offer that you don't want to let get away, because right now it is at a steal. Let me show you one more piece of this offer that I have not made visible like this before. The final piece that actually costs more than the course is this. It's called Life After the PMP Exam. And what you're going to get from here is live coaching and training with me after you get certified. And you're also going to get a lifetime access course to help you achieve excellence. And that's about 10 PDUs in addition to the live training that I just talked about after the exam. This is a ridiculous steal, my friends, that you don't want to get away, because the cost of life after the PMP exam is actually more than the cost of the course. So this is a great way for you to get in and secure lifetime learning. Lifetime learning, and when you come on the program, you have a place to go to as a professional. You have a project management family, because it's not enough for you to be in a massive gathering where you feel lost. No, here we have individuals who have been through the program for PMP and are now learning and teaching with me and coming along. This is definitely something you want to do. So to sign up for this program, you need to go on down to hpmexam.com. Don't miss a minute. Don't miss a beat. Go there right now and sign up. And the moment you sign up, we begin our journey together. We have one of the main hpmexam.com boot camps coming up. You will be in that live boot camp with me. You will learn people, process, business, and then we will begin our deeper journey to start digging into the material under the hood. And there's a lot more that I would love to cover with you, but I need you to go on down right now to hpmexam.com. Take advantage of this boot camp where we cover people, process, and business. Remember, you have a trusted friend in your buddy Phil, right? You have someone who has been there, done that for all these awesome organizations across the world. So many organizations, so many individuals, so many entities. You cannot go wrong. You want someone who's been doing this for a while, been doing this since 2005. It's going on 19 years. Time flies when you're having fun. Going on 19 years. So I hope you enjoyed the presentation. I hope you enjoyed the webinar. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and share. All throughout this channel, we have tons of videos, because I've dedicated a lot of my career to helping people excel and advance in project management. I would love to help you as well. So again, look for the link, hpmexam.com. I am looking forward to seeing you in the class, not only to get PMP certified, but also to get the pinnacle of your profession. You know, the pinnacle of the profession is when you put in the very best that you've got with pragmatism, with coaching, with understanding and leadership. And that's why after you get certified, I would love to take you through my curriculum, How to Succeed After the PMP Exam. It's all part of the package. It's all part of it. But you need to take action now. hpmexam.com. Don't let that pricing get away. The pricing is cray-cray. It's unbelievable. The pricing structure that I have for you, it's like, free. Just put free on it, because I'm giving you 2 very high-class, world-class courses for the price of a quarter. That's really what it boils down to, because you're going to have lifetime access to 2 solid programs. And then you're going to get all of this great literature. Oh, I can barely even lift it. All of this great literature. PMP Exam Immersion. The Essentials book. I mean, one of these books costs almost half of the program, but you're going to get all of them. You're getting all of them. The Agile Run and Cut with my buddy Roy, and then Life After the Exam. And then you're going to get 40 hours of education online for your PMP, and another 10 hours, both online, and another 10 on Zoom. So that's like 20 PDUs. It's just, who does that? Who gives you all of that for this very affordable amount, okay? If you need to use, whether you're using a card, you have the access, the option to do that. If you want to use PayPal, you have the option to do that. I've made it very simple and very straightforward for you, okay? Again, for those of you who are just coming, we're talking about the hpmexam.com course. It's called a hybrid project management exam for a reason. Because the PMI, they're going to ask you people, process, business, agile, hybrid, predictive. That's why we call it hpmexam.com. Okay? All right. Any questions? Yes, lifetime does mean lifetime. For those of you asking, does lifetime mean I can have it for life? Yes. It's a lifetime access program. Once you're locked in, it's yours for life. And of course, all the books and all the materials and 20 hours of audio, yeah, that's yours for life. Okay, any other questions? So the passing score of the PMP exam is undisclosed. The PMI, they have a process that is similar to the Angoff cutoff technique, but the passing score is not disclosed. They'll grade you on people, process, business. Are you above target? Are you on target? Are you below target? Are you needs improvement? You want to be above target on all those areas. In my mind, as you know, just resign, you're going to be above target. Don't plan to be on target. You know, Les Brown says, shoot for the moon, and at least if you miss, you'll land among the stars. So don't shoot for target, because if things could go wrong. So I want you to shoot for above target. That needs to be the mindset. Don't plan target. No, target, above target. Okay? Thank you all very much. I look forward to looking for some comments, for some questions, for some dialogue from you. All right? Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you in more videos on this channel. All right? Thank you for staying this long. All the very best, and bye for now.